our education system. So what we find in our educational system, we're very good at imparting the knowledge that graduates require to do their jobs. But we find that there is a room for improvement, particularly in vocational qualifications, for developing skills. And the kind of skills I'm talking about are communication skills, problem solving skills, analytical skills. If we can improve those skills as well as give the knowledge to our students, then we build ourselves a more resilient student, a more confident student. And then when they go into their workplace, they are then less likely to drop out within the first few years, and they are going to be more confident in their jobs. So how do we go about doing this? Well, one of the tools that I'm looking at in education is using escape rooms. So if you don't know what an escape room is, we basically set up a series of puzzles in a room. We group our students and put them into the room and ask them to solve those puzzles to escape. We don't actually lock the students in the room, although I have been tempted on times. And what we do find is when we put the students in that room, they communicate, they problem solve, they analyze, and they do all of this without any lecturer taking part. So they form a team together, and this is really effective for them in developing their skills. One of the problems we've got with escape rooms is that they are resource intensive. They require a room, and they require setting up time, and also we have to timetable our students because we can only do it in about groups of 6 at a time. So the pandemic has changed things a little bit because we do have online escape rooms. So we can actually have people complete them online, but that brings with it some problems. As well as solving the resourcing issue, it means that we have to have more technical skills as lecturers to develop these tools. It also means that we aren't able to observe the students as effectively. Critically, we're not able to have a plenary session with them, which is really important in the educational context of setting up an escape room. So this is where my research is coming in. What I'm aiming to do is to build an environment, a digital environment, so that we can run escape rooms virtually, and we can then allow our students to take part in them from the comfort of their home or from any computer they can do, possibly using virtual reality, and then also develop a tool that observes these students and produces a report on how well they've communicated and how well they've taken part in the escape room, so that once the activity is complete, we can a lecturer can go over the reports and they can see which students have taken part, which students didn't take part quite so well, and then they can feed that back to the students and then help them to develop those skills so that we produce an all-round student. Okay, thank you.